High flow nozzles promise faster printing, but do they actually keep quality? Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yegane, and today in this video I want to test a nozzle from E3D. That this hot end nozzle is for high flow, so I want to test it, the quality, the speed, and everything that they promised about these nozzles. It looks really solid and well made. High flow basically means the nozzle is designed to push more filament through while printing faster. So in theory, you can increase printing speed without losing quality. Also, these nozzles are usually designed to handle tougher materials better. Now let's go for the testing and installing to see how easy it can be installing. But before testing it and installing, I want to test in a standard nozzle and to see the difference after that. Okay, we're gonna open Orca slicer, and from up here we choose calibration, and here max flow rate. I'm gonna put it in 10 here because I don't know in which layer it's gonna be broke. I'm gonna choose 50 and here 1. So then slice plate. The total time is around half an hour, and then send to print. Okay guys, with the same setting we're gonna start testing first with the standard nozzle and PLA the filament. We're gonna start and we can see the difference after that better. Okay guys, as you can see in this layer it's already being broken. If you can see, the nozzle doesn't have power to pass through all filaments, and it's gonna be like this. I did it with the same setting and with the PTG filament to see the difference between two filaments in a standard nozzle. As you can see, the PTG failed earlier than PLA through extrusion. Then we're gonna start to changing the nozzle. As you can see, it's so simple, it's so easy. You have to make sure that the nozzle is in correct place. So now I want to change the nozzle, and with the same setting I want to do again printing with the PLA and PTG to see how it's going. Let's get started. Here, look at the quality. Look how clean and keep quality high with this speed. I didn't speed up the video. As you can see, it's almost done, the printing 98%. So look how it's great. And here is the result of PTG. Alright, as you can see, this is the result. Actually, I'm impressed because I didn't expect this nozzle to be that much effective. For the printer, you can save the time. Actually, it's double faster, and you can keep your quality. If you want to print a big project, you can save actually your time, your money, everything. I actually am impressed with the stable extrusion through printing with this nozzle. I'm definitely will continue to testing it with longer printing, and I'll show you in my next videos. Thank you to E3D that sent me this nozzle for testing and review. If you want to check out this nozzle, I'll put the link of this nozzle in my description so you can go and check it. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!